Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing video for you and I have got Latest in Beauty and this is the Backstage Beauty Edit box. As always, if you've seen it all before and you're just curious and seeing what contents I chose this month, then I'll add a timestamp down in the comments below so you're free to flick forward. So Latest in Beauty is a monthly beauty subscription box. This is a UK only box and it's a little bit different because you get to choose the products that you want inside the box. So at the start of every month they bring out a monthly edit, so you get to see all the products that I'll be releasing over the month. They release products daily, plus if you sign up for their newsletter you will get emails telling you all about the products that are up and coming. Every month they have a Hall of Fame product, which means that it's like their showpiece. It's their one item that they have got a load of stock of, so this item you'll be able to get it all throughout the month. This month's Hall of Fame product is a NARS lipstick. So they got 3 different subscriptions. The first one is a 3-piece box and that will cost you £9. Then you've got a 6-piece box, which is what I've got today, and that will cost you £15. Then you've got a 9-piece box which will cost you £18. All boxes include shipping and you're able to cancel any time. What I like about the subscription is that if you take out a subscription for 3 products, you are able to change that up the following months if you want to. The day you take out your subscription is the day you are able to choose your products from then onwards until the end of the month. If you want to cancel or if you want to change anything, you need to change it before your next payment due date is due. So if you started off with a 3-product subscription, but this month you've seen a ton of items that you want, then you can switch all the way up to a 9-product box which will cost you £18, and vice versa. Following month you can switch back down to 3 or you can switch to 6, so you've got that flexibility. You can buy one-off boxes to try or to gift, and I know the 6-piece box that I've got would cost you £22. Then they also have collection boxes. Now these collection boxes are limited edition boxes that they bring out. They seem to be quite often. I have got 3 ready on the go here to show you, which I'll be doing in a separate video. So in the next couple of days you will see me unboxing them all, just to tell you a little bit about them and to show you the products that you get inside. I'm really lucky to be on Latest in Beauty's PR list, so they send me these boxes for free in exchange for telling you all about them on my channel. So if you're interested in their limited edition boxes, then look out for my video in the next couple of days. So I think this is as far as information goes. I think anyway, if I've missed anything I will let you know down below, and also if I can find a code, because sometimes they have like £5 off your first box and everything, so I'll have a look to see if there's any codes I can use in the collection boxes that I've been given, or if not I'll have a look online and I'll pop it down in the description. Let's open up my box and show you what I chose. So this is what my box looks like. I'm not sure how much you'll be able to see. Now they don't come with a leaflet. The collection, the limited edition boxes, they come with a leaflet outlining all the products, but these monthly subscription boxes, they don't. While I'm editing, I will have a look online to see how much these items are worth, and I'll pop it up on the screen. So then you get an idea of how much of the value this box is worth. So in every box this month, we'll get a NARS card, and this is Discover NARS. As a Latest in Beauty member, receive a complimentary 30-minute makeup your mind service of your choice when you visit your nearest NARS counter, and this is valid until end of December this year. I don't live near a NARS counter, but I know who I can give it to, so I'll be giving that to her later. So the first item I chose is a toothbrush, and this is a biodegradable cornstarch toothbrush by the Co, I think that's how you say it, and it's got a little stand on it as well, so it looks like there. They had a few different shades, I think, on their website. There was a brown one, I'm not sure if there was like a pink one or a purple one, so I thought I'd go for the turquoise one, and I really like the fact that it comes in its little stand, because that's a pain in our house. We have got toothbrush holders, but they break. There's 5 in the family, so you can imagine. So no, having something with a stand I thought was really cool, and the fact that it is biodegradable. Biodegradable handle and packaging, non-plastic, tapered bristles and 0 waste. So no, can't wait to see what that is like. Next is a cream, and this is for your privates. This is a Queen of Q Ooh La La Sensitive Shave Gel, and it's moisturising and soothing aloe vera, coconut and vanilla scent, 150 mils. It's got really high reviews. It's not just for your privates, it's for anywhere on your body that you want to take off some hair. So if you suffer from ingrowing, it's gonna say ingrowing toenails, no. ingrowing hairs, ingrowing hairs on your body, in certain parts of your body, then this cream is supposed to really help with that. So I thought I'd give it a go. It has been on Latest in Beauty for a long while now, but it's got quite good reviews, so I thought it's something handy to have, isn't it? So it's a shave cream, so it's a shaving cream for ladies, and that's what it looks like there. So anything else here? See, we are shaving with our low foam formula, dermatologically tested, ideal for sensitive skin. Moisturising and soothing aloe vera helps to provide a non-dry and silky smooth shave for legs, bikini and underarms. So there's that. Then I chose a Dr. Botanicals mask, so it looks like there. So this is a coffee superfood renewing facial exfoliator. Sorry, it's not a mask. I thought it was a mask, but yeah, it's a facial exfoliator, and this is vegan, cruelty free, 100% natural. It says it gently exfoliates, enriches and refreshes the skin. Let's open it up and show you what it's like. So it's a full size, 50 mils. So it looks like there. It just smells like coffee and walnut cake. No, it smells nice. There, you're not going to be able to see much really. And they had a few Dr. Botanical products on their website, and I think they still have them up there. I forgot to say as well that if a product is really popular, they do tend to sell out. So that's why the importance of the Hall of Fame product is, because you're guaranteed it's going to be there all throughout the month. So the last time I looked, they had all the range of the Dr. Botanicals there. So that's that one. Next I went for makeup, and I've got a mascara, and this is by Catrice Cosmetics. I've never heard of that brand before, but this is Eye Consister Lash Millionizer Volume Mascara, 180% more lash volume. So it looks like there. You probably might not be able to see it with the ring light, because the mascara is quite big. It is quite a big chunky mascara. I was expecting the wand to be quite chunky, but no, it is super teeny tiny. It is tiny, tiny, tiny. Look at this. Look at that. That is so small. Normally I don't get on very well with these types of mascaras. Okay for my under lashes, but my top lashes, because they're short, they're straight and they're really hard to curl and to cling and to lengthen and things. So I tend to go for like a big fluffy brush. But yeah, but I don't know, this has got a slight curve in it, so I can't wait to give it a go. Never heard of this brand before. So if it's an amazing mascara, you'll be seeing this a lot more on my videos and any of my makeup tutorials and things. So if you don't, then you know that it's not for me. So there's that. Then I went for a perfume, and I didn't know what sort of size this would be because it's 7 mils. So I was thinking, okay, normal perfume samples are teeny tiny, aren't they? But I was thinking, well, they're about 2 mils, so it's going to be a little bit bigger. But I have had a look at this already. I am super impressed with it. It is gorgeous. So this is Good Girl by Carolina Herrera, New York. And it's a eau de parfum. And yeah, it's so good to be bad. That's the outer packaging. Never tried any perfume for Carolina. Is it Carolina? Yeah, Carolina Herrera before. But look at that. Look. That is so cool. I've had a sniff, but I haven't actually proper smelt it yet. And it seems to be alright. I'll give it a go now. That is nice. That is really nice. I am so fussy with my perfumes. I am really, really fussy. No, I can't describe what it smells like, unfortunately. Does it say on the back here to give you any idea? No. No, you're just going to have to go online and seek it out. On the Latest in Beauty website, if you actually click on the products, it does bring up information about them. So hopefully it'll say there if you're interested in getting one of these for yourself. Now that is quite nice. That is really nice, as well as looking absolutely gorgeous. I love that. And then lastly, it's the Hall of Fame NARS lipstick. Now you don't have to get this Hall of Fame product, it's up to you, but I tend to always get it because they tend to be really good ones. So this is a mini version. It's not full size, but this is a lipstick. Is it Toled? I'll show you in a minute because I'm not saying it properly. And this is in satin. Yeah, that's what it says there. So it's a little mini one. Oh, I love that. It's got, I don't own much NARS, so I'm getting excited. It's got actual NARS like embossed on the actual lipstick. Can you see there? I have got similar colour, but no, that's nice. That is really nice. Do you see there? Definitely a colour I would wear. So no, I can't wait to give that a go, see what that is like. In my October 6 product box, that will cost £15. These are all the products that I chose. I got a NARS lipstick, I got a mascara by Catrice Cosmetics, I've got a perfume by Carolina Herrera, I have got a face exfoliator by Dr. Botanicals, then I got a lady shaving cream by Queen of, I think, just says Queen of or Ooh La La, I'm not too sure. And then I've got a biodegradable brush and stand by the Natural Family Co. So those are all the products there. I'm really chuffed to them. A bit of a mixture, definitely a bit of a mixture going on. What you choose could be completely different. These are just my choices, and yeah, I get excited trying to choose what items. As I said before, some months are better than others. To have an idea of what the monthly edit is, take a look on their website at the beginning of the month, and in their blog they will have a picture of all the products they will be releasing. Now you don't know what day they'll be releasing them on, but they release one a day, and sometimes you get an email as well saying what the weekly edit is going to be, up and coming, so the items that are due to be released. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots of videos to come. And if you're interested in taking a look at their collection boxes, I got Autumn 2019 Beauty Heroes box, Balance the Nighttime Edit box, and Sainsbury's Beauty Awards 2019. So I'll be unboxing those and telling you all about them in an upcoming video. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.